Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Harshita here. Hope you guys doing well. So sorry for such a delay in posting a video. I was quite occupied with my work, so I'll try to put more videos from now on. So today we are going to see double color Baby Kuchu. So for that materials required are, so I've taken a crochet here. So in this video I'll show you how to do a Baby Kuchu without big eye needle. Without needle also you can do this design. So a crochet hook number 10 I have taken. You can use any number whichever you want, and I've taken two colors here. In this I'll be showing double color kuchu, a gold thread and glue and a hemming needle and a cutter. So now let's see how to do it. I'll be showing you double color in single kuchu. So for that we have to divide the threads into two parts. First part, first color, I've taken 40 strands here. So I'll be gluing it here. Without needle we are doing it. So I'll just cut here and apply the glue. See, I'll apply the glue here to the end. And after applying glue, just apply it fully and make it sharp so that you can insert it easily in the hole. So make it sharp and do another color also in the same way, and allow this to dry for a minute. Uh, 40 strands plus 40 strands, it will be 80 strands together. See, it has been dried here. So now take one more color, 40 strands. I've taken both the color and I've glued it and made it sharp. Now let's see how to do it. I've taken the crochet here. Just insert it in the cloth like this and make a hole. Now take the thread, take first color and insert it like this. Measure whichever the length you want and then leave the thread. Now take one more color, insert it in the same hole. Same measurement you take. Both the colors should be together like this. Now make it together. And now we have to tie this with a gold zari thread. So as usual I'm taking a hemming needle here and inserting it in the middle, and now take the zari thread, how much of a measurement you want, and you have to tie it around the kuchu like this. I've already shown how to do all this work. So if you have not yet seen my baby kuchu part also, you can just watch it in my channel. See, I'm tying it. So after tying several rounds, make a knot. It should be tighter. So just see to it that it is tight. And now trim the edges and insert it in the hemming needle. Insert it like this and pull the hemming needle from below. And now cut this kuchu as per your wish. Like how much of a length you want, you can cut it. So one more I'll show you. and this gap is more, it should not be more actually. It is your wish. Just I leave some space, and again I'm inserting the crochet needle and making a hole here. After doing it, same process again. Insert the first color of thread and again second color into the same hole. Make it equal and now hold it together, and now insert the hemming needle in the middle, and then take zari thread how much ever you want and tie it around it and make several knots. 3 to 4 knots you can do it, so that it is so tight. And after tying the zari thread, you have to cut the baby kuchu like before one only. The length should be equal like the first one. See, now pull the hemming needle from below and make it tight, and now cut the baby kuchu. The length should be equal. So now I'll just show you the final look of it. See, this is the final look. And thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you.